Hello! Today, for 4-H Halley Learning, we're going to have 4-H Keiki cooking. Today, we are going to start with a simple lunch. This activity is geared towards youth in grades 3rd through 8th. Younger youth will need an adult to assist. And if you've never used a knife, please have an adult assist you. The reason or objective for this activity is to build life skills in the area of independence and also to make healthy choices and kitchen safety. First, we'll make sure that we wash our hands. You will need soap and water and wash for at least 20 seconds. This will always be the number one rule for cooking. We are going to make a tuna salad and an avocado. Clean your work area. Gather all your supplies and ingredients. I will need an avocado, tuna, salt and pepper, relish, mayonnaise, mixing bowls, and other equipment that I will need to make my simple lunch. I'm going to use a paring knife to cut the avocado in half. I carefully cut around the center, around the seed, and then I'll twist. Carefully remove the seed and set aside. Now, to make the tuna salad. You can use any variation that you like. You can use a can opener to open a can of tuna, but make sure to be careful with the sharp edges of the can. I will mix in about 1 tablespoon of mayo and relish and add some salt and pepper to taste. When you are done, you can then add your tuna salad to your avocado. This recipe makes approximately 2 servings. I think I'll have some whole wheat crackers and some grapes to make this a meal. Now it's your turn. What variation will you use? There are many ways to make a tuna salad. You could try cranberries and capers, onions or peppers, just a simple salt and pepper. You could use chickpeas instead of tuna. You could add furikake or nori. So gather your supplies and try out this simple, healthy lunch. Have fun!